early on in the pandemic, a lot of companies were using the excuse of the pandemic to raise prices because they didn't know what was happening, but they wanted that margin. Obviously, there are extra costs associated with the pandemic, and so that makes sense. And so they basically smuggled a lot of unpopular changes underneath something that superficially seemed rather bulletproof. In that sense, people could easily be bullshitting you about supply chain issues. The one thing I will bring up is that there are certain knock-on effects that are not immediately obvious. For instance, I had to buy a dishwasher during the pandemic. They didn't have enough people to man all of the lines, or rather, they probably just needed to social distance. And so what they did was they manufactured fridges instead of dishwashers, because the reasoning being that if somebody needs a new fridge, they need a new fridge now. But if they have to wash their own dishes for a few months, it's fine. That's kind of a weird knock-on effect. It's not like there was no ability or there was no lack of goods to be able to manufacture dishwashers. They just chose to manufacture something else because of some perceived reasons.